Imagine you're drowning in a sea of emails, inbox overflowing, deadlines looming, and you're just trying to keep your head above water. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a tool that could automate some of this chaos? Well, today we're diving into ClickUp, a popular project management tool, and exploring whether it can be your email sending savior. Can ClickUp automatically send emails? Let's find out. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why email automation is such a big deal. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. Email automation can save you time, reduce errors, and improve your overall productivity. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Now back to ClickUp. It's a versatile tool that can handle everything from task management to project planning. But can it also handle your email needs? Exploring ClickUp's email features. Let's break it down. ClickUp offers several features that can help you with email management, but does it have the ability to send automated emails? Well, not directly. However, there are a few workarounds that can help you achieve similar results. Integrations. ClickUp integrates with a variety of third-party apps, including email marketing platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact. These platforms offer robust email automation features that can be synced with your ClickUp tasks. For example, you could set up a ClickUp task to trigger an automated email campaign in MailChimp, sending out promotional emails to your subscribers. Custom fields. ClickUp allows you to create custom fields within your tasks. You can use these fields to store email addresses or other relevant information. By combining custom fields with automations, you can set up triggers that send emails based on specific criteria. For instance, if a task status changes to complete, an automated email could be sent to the assigned team members. Automations. While ClickUp doesn't have built-in email sending capabilities, it does offer powerful automation features. You can create rules that trigger specific actions based on certain conditions. By combining automations with custom fields and integrations, you can effectively automate email workflows. For example, you could set up an automation to send a reminder email to clients if a task's due date is approaching. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of how this works, let's look at a few real-world examples. Client onboarding. When a new client signs up, an automated email could be sent to welcome them and provide them with necessary information. Task reminders. If a task's due date is approaching, an automated email could be sent to the assigned team members as a reminder. Project updates. When a project reaches a significant milestone, an automated email could be sent to stakeholders to keep them informed. While ClickUp may not have a direct email sending feature, its versatility and integration capabilities make it a powerful tool for automating email workflows. By leveraging custom fields, automations, and third-party integrations, you can effectively streamline your email processes and save time. So, can ClickUp automatically send emails? Not directly, but it can certainly help you automate your email workflows in a variety of ways. With a little creativity and configuration, you can turn ClickUp into your email automation powerhouse. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this further, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy automating.